Your customers are hardwired to buy this product. If you knew for a fact that your customers would want to buy a certain type of product from you, then wouldn't you want to know what that product does? It could save you a lot of time and trouble, having this information. And the funny thing is, you do already know what this type of product does, you just maybe haven't considered selling it yourself. Everyone is hardwired to look for the easy solution. Let's say you're being chased by a saber-toothed tiger. You want to cross a chasm to get away from that tiger, and you want to do it as fast as possible. Are you going to cut down a tree, place the tree across the chasm, and then walk over that tree to the other side? You might, if that was your only solution. But what if a short distance away, there's already a fallen tree bridging the chasm? Of course you're going to take the easy way. What if you're a caveman and you're hungry? Are you going to plant a garden so you'll have veggies in 2 to 3 months? Or go out and pull some roots and pluck some berries right now? Humans are wired to look for easy solutions as a matter of survival. If the easy solution doesn't work, then we haven't wasted much time and we can go on to try the harder solution. But we will always gravitate to the easy solution first. Think this isn't true today? Company is coming and your table is wobbling. You could take everything off of the table, take the table out to the garage and try to fix it. It shouldn't take more than an hour. Or you could unobtrusively shove something under the short leg, which will take you about 20 seconds. What do you do? I know what I would do. Anytime you can legitimately make something easy and fast for your customer, do it. Solve their problem the easy way. Get them the benefit they seek the fast way. And notice the word, legitimately. We're not talking about plug-and-play software that magically spits out $20 every moment for no darn reason. We're talking about legit answers. And they are out there. There are marketers who have stumbled on a certain keyword or a certain traffic source who have made fortunes with very little work. There are even more people who have found a much easier way to do something difficult, and used this knowledge to help others, and in turn, get rich. If you find the easy way to do anything people want to do, then you have a winning product. This is why certain markets, such as the self-help, dating, weight loss, and make money online markets, are continually creating and selling new products. Because they realize that only a tiny minority of customers will actually stop buying products and focus on getting the results they seek. You can't change how people think and act, and it's not your job to try. It is your job to discover what people want, fast and easy, and sell it to them. Bottom line, don't be hard on yourself when you buy another shiny object. You're naturally wired that way. And don't second-guess yourself when you promote yet another affiliate product to your list, as long as it actually works, of course. Your customers are hardwired to buy it, and they get pretty happy when they do. For more marketing tips and tricks delivered weekly to your email, subscribe to our marketing newsletter.